The sandstorm of 2020, February the 25th. Winds are up about 18, 19 miles, gusts in the 20s. We got a bit of a sandstorm happening down there. Barely see Port of Penasco. Yeah, Port of Penasco is right over there somewhere. Like a deer. Lawn deer. At the Malecon Desert Dreams Car Show. The old Mexican lowrider. Sorry, baby, get off your.
It's on my shoe.
I wonder.
See the paint job on this
Quite some airbrush, you know?
Oh my God.
And the tires too, the rims are beautiful.
have liver straps. They have liver shades.
See one of these in action though. I want to see them 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock they're bouncing.
That's coming from a car.
Holy shit, Dave!
Yeah, I know.
Hablaron y yo, callado me quedé. Difamaron, jugaron, hasta me escucharon. Pero allá arriba hay un güey que acabo lo ve. Tratan de meterme pie, pero no van a poder. Yo que digan que soy un balconero de dicen que soy un delincuente, y la gente de lo que habla, por mí que habla que comete, porque a nadie me debo nada. Un delincuente, y la gente de lo que habla, porque a nadie me debo nada. Gracias a Dios le doy porque me aguanta. No me dejo solo y me di cuenta.
He's sitting pretty low. Low, 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 low. You can fit that in your toy hauler. There's your batteries for your RV. No, El Camino.
El Camino?
Yep,
Was mine an El Camino or a Ranchero?
Ranchero. The Volkswagens made it out in force.
People are waiting for you. Thank you.
Hey Brent, is that like yours? It's got the travel pack.
Let me see if I can find a reaction. No, but at least you're happy. It's like we're on the edge.
Up in the tequila bar. Getting a bird's eye view of the Malecon.
These voices in my head, I wish that I could shut them out. Sorry that I let you down. I'm sorry.
No, it's not an Android then.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm pretty sure it was
that I let you
It's fun. It's fun. What?
Hey Russ, how about those rims for your side by side?
Big boy toys, huh?
Yeah, eh?
¿Pueden andar con eso?
Almost looks like a giant version of the Nash. In Monterey.
Oh, yeah. This is Mexa for you. They park even up on the sidewalk. Cali 13, Port Penasco's main street, pretty much.
Yeah, I think so.
No, I think you have to go 2 streets over.
What, to get the hookers?
Yeah. Well, you know, the coffee.